Da, 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 da. Oh, I guess we should have brought a flashlight. You can't even see it. What the heck?
Can you see me?
Nope. Oh well, we'll just talk. Dun 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 dun. There's a tree growing out of my driveway, so she hit it. The wannabe gangsters don't come out till 9:30, so we decided to go out to the park at 7. But unless they're there, that might be a little scary.
But guess what? We're running away because the monk's in the closet.
Oh, now you can see it with the street lights.
Can you see me?
Yeah. There's the street lights. I told you.
The moon. That's for Edward Wood. He's my vampire.
Ready? Dun 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 dun. I'm gonna fall.
We're getting closer. See the lights in the distance. That must be where the park is.
The lights in the distance.
Wanksters!
Wanksters, translation. Wannabe gangsters.
I think we're gone. I think they're gone.
They have this. We can make like a series of videos. Like we can stop it here, and then like when we get to the park, we get
Still going.
Okay.
The Wanksters had squirt guns,
and they threatened to kill us with their squirt gun. They're like, they told us, put your hands up in the air. We're like, no, please don't hurt us.
Don't
like,
crush me.
So we just ran, and you don't know how hard it was.
Oh, look at the stars. When I die, well, I'm not gonna die because I'm gonna be turned into a vampire soon. And don't die. But
do you hear that? There's a bomb.
They fired! They fired!
Dun, 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 dun. Press the button.